Hello guys, what's up? This is Mortaza and welcome to A Coder's Journey. This is the next episode of my Clean Code in C# series. In this episode, I have decided to talk about a very important topic in writing clean code. I'm gonna, follow up on what I talked about in the last video. Here I've got the program class, and here I've got the person class. I hope you have already watched the previous videos, especially the last one. If that's not the case, make sure you do, because this is the example we talked about in the last video. Now, a very important and useful technique when it comes to working with methods and make our methods clean is to ask yourself whether a method is doing some action or a function, or it is answering a question that the caller code or the calling code has asked. For example, this method, this check user validity method, returns a bool. So it is, answering a question that the calling code has asked. And the question was whether the user was valid or not, right? So by returning a bool data type, we are answering that question. So if, for example, the return type is like false, it means that the user was not valid, and if it is true, it means the user was valid. But take a look at the other method, save person to disk. This method is, obviously doing some operation, some task, some action or a function. It is saving or persisting the user data, the person's data, to disk, but it is also at the same time returning something. It is also answering a question, right? So this method probably can be refactored in two different methods. One method to, for example, do something to disk, persist some data to disk, and the other method would be, for example, to return something to the calling code. Or, for example, we could omit this altogether, and instead of returning true or false, which indicate that the save operation was successful or not successful, we could employ exception handling in this method. But from time to time, this is a practice that you see here and there. For example, in ORMs, when the update operation or the save operation happens, the method which is responsible for carrying out this task more often than not returns a bool indicating whether the operation was successful or not. But the best practice is to categorize your methods into action methods and answering methods, as they are sometimes called. So if it is an action method like this one, it should not return a bool, it should return void. And then you can employ error handling or exception handling, as I just told you. And if it is an answering method like this one, it is okay to return something to indicate whether the answer was true or false. Again, there are many things that I can talk about these these two categories, answering methods and action methods, but I'm gonna stop here. I'm not gonna get into the details, further details. And that's it. I just wanted to tell you that, these two categories of methods exists. Anyway, if you have enjoyed watching this video, please keep watching. Make sure you have watched the, previous videos, and also subscribe to A Coder's Journey if you haven't already done so. Share this video with a friend, give it a like, and also activate that bell so that you do not miss out on my upcoming videos. Whenever I publish a new video, you will, be able to watch it instantly. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Till later, and bye-bye.